अमेरिका ने एक बार फिर पाकिस्तान में इंसानी हुकूक और कानून की हुक्मरानी पर जोर दिया है। तर्जुमान महकमा खारजा मैथ्यू मिलर ने पाकिस्तान में वज़रा की तनख्वाहों में इजाफे पर तबसरे से गुरेज किया। मैथ्यू मिलर ने वाज़ेह किया कि वज़रा की तनख्वाहों में इजाफे का जवाब हुकूमत पाकिस्तान को देना चाहिए।
I want to see human rights and the rule of law respected inside Pakistan. We make that clear publicly. We make that clear in our engagements with the government of Pakistan.
The ministers in Pakistan just got 900% increase in their salaries. Just a month ago, I asked the finance minister here in Washington, D.C. that this is it is totally unacceptable in a country where there is such poverty. One day calling his niece a milestone lady.
I know there's a question. I know there's a question in there somewhere. I hope that we will get to it soon. I think the appropriate pay of government officials inside Pakistan is a question for the people of Pakistan and the government of Pakistan to answer, not a question for the United States. We don't typically opine on the relative pay of government officials anywhere around the world, and that of course will be our policy here as well.